Alright guys, this is a quick unboxing of Oldest Child, the card game, which I recently got the prototypes for. It's in production now, they're finishing up the boxes, and that's really the last bit that the factory needs to do so they can ship them out to us and get them to you guys. The pre-order is open, we opened it today, and you can grab a copy before they're gone. I think the initial order, we're ordering 800 of the standard edition. This is the silver standard edition, and then 150 of the gold edition, and I'll show you the difference in what you'll be getting. So pretty nice thick box. There is no commercial markings on this thing because I want it to feel like a real artifact on your shelf, not a product. So we have a magnetic closed clasp. That's the first time we've done that before. Definitely not the last. I love it. And then inside the box, our logo, Severed Books, Games, and Toys. And then the main character, the vampire, is Lyda. She's there in the forest. So let's crack this baby open. You get a bag for the cards. I didn't want any plastic components in here. Again, I'm trying to make it seem like an artifact. And you get the metal coin and the bloody die. Let's kind of open this up further. That's the base of the box. Lyda, again, the main character. Really cool finish on that. Very happy with the box. Foil on both the box and the instruction booklet. I believe I did ask for sewn binding instead of staples to make it feel a bit older. That should be on the production version. A very generous blurb from horror legend Brian Evanson. Thank you, buddy. Means the world to me, really. This will be black in the production, so not white. And pretty cool full color instruction booklet. It's not very long. The rules are very, very simple in Oldest Child. And I'm proud of the fact that it does so much with so little. And feedback from the playtesters was really wild. So I know if you have a group that believes in the story, then you're gonna have a pretty amazing time. So yeah, instruction booklet. Thank you, Spencer, for helping me proof and edit that. Now onto the fun stuff. This is a replica of Vlad the Impaler's grandfather's coin. Obviously distressed. This is antique silver, not real silver. But let's see, you see in profile a helmet looking to the left and a shield. And then the opposite side is Vlad's grandfather himself. You see his face. He's holding a scepter, a staff. There's like a Maltese cross right here. This is let's see. There you go. That sounds good. Metal coin. So this silver comes with the standard edition. And if you hear something in the background, that is a faucet over me. I'm in my basement studio. I apologize for that. Yeah, coin, bloody D10, 10-sided die. You occasionally use this in the game. You don't really use it too often. And let's see. And then the meat of the game. So yeah, no plastic divider in the box. You get this cool black bag. And then, you know what? I can't remember how many total cards. I think it's 90 cards. So there's the conclusion. Don't read the conclusion quite yet. But yeah, you get history cards, which explains Lyda's history. Lyda and her odd group of friends. So 18 history cards. You get your 1, 2, and 3 story cards. That's kind of present day story. Let's see. I think there's 36 of those, 12 times 3 for 12 months in the year. Yep. And then you get item cards. These are super fun. These are gifts that Lyta can give you throughout the game that give you special powers. And they can turn you into a vampire. And yeah, I don't want to spoil too much. The Dumbo Pez is sort of a spoiler. But yeah, Oldest Child, man. Pre-orders just opened. And you can go to severedbooks.com and order it there. You can go to the Kickstarter page and order it there. Let's see, I'll show you the gold edition as well. Put these aside. Don't want to waste your time putting it all back in. So yeah, the gold edition, we're only making 150 of these. And in this one, you get the gold coin. This is the, you only get this gold coin with this special edition. And you get the silver coin. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna close my basement door. Sorry for that. You get the special gold coin in this set, and then you get a silver coin as well. The gold coin you award a player if they do turn into a vampire, or if you turn into one, you can just keep it for yourself. One other thing is the expansion pack. All the backers got the free expansion pack, but it is available for pre-order as well. There are 15 cards in the expansion pack. This really throws the game for a loop. It's great for replayability. And yeah, dude, very, very happy with how this turned out. Again, really trying to make this feel like a weird artifact in your house. Not like a game you just pull off the shelf. Something that's a little menacing, a little strange. Everything fits in the box. So pre-order this if you want to give it a try. There's also actually a book version for 20 bucks if you prefer to play the RPG mode and have the book. So that's for pre-order as well. Thank you guys.